Yo, Steve. What are we doing today?
We're doing a 200 amp main breaker panel upgrade. Things you need: number 4 ground wire, water clamps to go on your water main, mighty bond that goes to inside the panel. And all your breakers, we got our single poles in here. A lot of those. We got our double poles, all our 30s, 40s for our heavy appliances. Got a 2-inch for our SCU wire. So we also the code, you need a GFI by the panel. So we got our GFI set up right here. Connectors, I use black buttons I like here. Some wire nuts like that. We're gonna get it going. The electrician has some lineman's pliers. Love these guys with lines. Wire strippers makes it a lot faster stripping those wires. What I really like to get is a square tip insulated. It fits perfectly into the breakers. That's a nice solid connection every time. You gotta have one of these. Also, another thing to note, you get your surge protector. This is required by code. Pops right in. I love these ones because yeah, you just click them right in, tie in the neutral, and it's good to go. Popping open the old panel, we're gonna disconnect the feeders and rip everything out. We opened it up. As you see, he has a inlet generator here. So you can see all these wire nuts here. That's the feeders going from here to here. So what I did, I just labeled all the loads and the lines here, just determining which circuits are which, because I'm gonna have to take all these things apart and reconnect them on the exact lead here. This is the backup generator. All right, so we got our number 4 ground wire. As you can see, we have a smaller gauge, old copper ground wire, but we're gonna replace that with this guy here. So we're gonna run 2 clamps. We're gonna replace these with new clamps. One's there, and one is here. So you bonded there, the water main there, and then you're gonna run it all the way back to the panel. We're gonna tie it in there. We'll be grounded. We got our new feeder in here, and we're gonna refeed it, and we're gonna rip everything out. Cutting in the feeders, man. There we go. We got the neutral tied in. Cutting down the feeders now. Tie them on the lugs.
Nice, nice.
Prepping all of this sheathing here, make it all nice looking good. I'm gonna start with the grounds, because that's usually the method. So you'll ground neutrals and then you throw the breakers on power wires. It all comes together nice and neat. All right, so we got all the neutrals and the grounds tied in. So this is since this is the main service disconnect, we can tie the grounds and the neutrals together. So that's why you see your neutrals and your grounds on the same bus bars. We are pretty much ready for all the breakers to go in. I got my surge protector, which I'm gonna throw right at the top. That's good practice, throw it up at the top, protect all your breakers below, and we're gonna get the breakers in. Mighty bond. We're grounding the water main right now.
One mighty bond. Bam!
So this is the dryer. So I guess I'll start with the kitchen countertops, which will be 20 amps here. So if you want to just flip all the 20s here, and I will go and find them. All right, everything's labeled. We're all set, ready for inspection. 200 amps, ready to go.